Hello mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. Tingnan natin kung anong dapat mong malaman. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Virgo Collective. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo? Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam nyo na po ang galawan. Thank you po in advance. Okay po. So, tingnan natin. Anong dapat malaman ni Virgo Collective? Virgo Collective. Karmic relationship. Oh my God. Meron kang karmic relationship, Virgo. Vows. Karmic relationship and the vows. Sumpaan. Merong sumpaan dito. Ano ba yan siya? Mother. Mothers knows best. Tingnan natin. Virgo. Atlantis. Okay. For some of you, merong nakatira sa dagat malapit. Okay. For some of you, mahilig sa dagat. For some of you, maybe this is your past life. Taga-Atlantis ka. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Hindi ko alam kung sino ang malapit sa dagat, mahilig maligo sa dagat. Basta kung alam mong ano ka, attracted ka sa water at hindi mo maintindihan, definitely maybe taga-Atlantis ka past life mo. Para po sa mga Virgo na hindi naniniwala sa past life, merong mga ano dito, meron kang makikita sa mga wall mo na mga regarding sa about water or about sa mga magagandang tanawin or mga magagandang aquarium or some kind. Okay. Ma-amaze ka. Mapapawaw ka. Wow. Okay. Or maybe this is an emotion. Masyado kang emotional or something. Someone is very emotional. Balat sibuyas na sinasabi. So, karmic relationship, i-clarify natin, Virgo, kung ano tong karmic relationship. My God, Virgo. Meron kang karmic. Or maybe someone. Merong karmic relationship. Merong vows din dito, pangako. I made a vow. So, we'll see. Karmic relationship, clarify. Knight of Swords. Eight of Cups, definitely. Hindi na ako magtataka. The Hermit card. In some point, attached pa rin kayo both ways. Bakit kayo attached sa isa't isa kahit na magkalayo kayo? It's because it is definitely your karmic. Okay. So, meron kang soul contract nitong person na to. Okay. Meron kang soul contract, soul tie. Kung sino man to para sa'yo, Virgo, meron kahit na years ago na and you feel some sort of attachment with this person. Kahit na meron ka ng family ngayon but you feel so attached because of this karmic relationship. Meron kang karmic relationship wordings even though na both of you nag tumahak na ng magkaibang landas. Okay. But with the wheel of fortune, it will come into the surface again. Magkukross pa rin ang landas nyo dito. Okay. Hindi mo pwedeng i-stop ang tadhana. Okay. So, merong nakatadhana dito na, what is this Eight of Cups? Eight of Swords. Stuck nga kayo sa isa't isa. Meron kasi kayong karmic relationship. Meron ka nang iniwan dito, Virgo, but in some point with the 88 here, 88 is a cycle. Okay. Kung makikita mo yan siya. You know what I mean? Because meron kang ano dito, meron kang karmic relationship, soulmate tie, soul tie. Meron ka na ditong left behind, but in some point, this person feels empty. Okay? Or maybe you feel empty. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. In some point, karmic relationship kasi is about past life. It's about a soul tie, and soul contract. Okay? In some point, both of you need to learn something. Unresolved issue to eh. Unfinished business. Okay. In some point, kahit na meron, iba na ang naging daan mo, iba na rin ang naging daan niya for how many years. For destiny kasi dito eh. Pag ang destiny, hindi mo pwede itong pigilan. So, in some point, magkukross pa rin ang landas nyo kasi may kailangan kayong tapusin. There is unresolved issue here. That's why meron tayong Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is stuck on something. Meron kang kontrata dito. Meron kang unfinished business on someone. Or maybe the person that you're connecting with. I don't know. Just take it how it's resonate. Either way. So, Virgo, merong communication dito regarding sa coming back. Kasi itong person na to, kahit na kung ano man ang dinidil niya ngayon, or kung ikaw man, meron kang, let's say, meron ka ng new life, okay? Tapos, alam mo sa sarili mong meron kang person na nileft behind with the Five of Swords. Meron kang nileft behind dito eh. Okay. It will come around. Still come around. It will come around. Hindi mo pwedeng iwan ang karmic relationship ng ganun-ganun na lang. Yung parang unresolved issue, unfinished business. Kailangan mong tapusin to. Both of you, kailangan may matutunan sa sitwasyon. Okay, let's just say, nag-build na kayo ng both families into another world. Sa ibang mundo. Pero, at the same time, mafe-feel mo para bagang mahanap mo yung sarili mong nasa feeling pa rin niya. Kind of thing. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate na Virgo, better luck next time po. But there is definitely here, karmic relationship. This is unfinished business. Kailangan yung bumalik sa isa't isa. Even though kasi, para po sa mga Virgo na hindi na naniniwala sa past life, better luck next time po. Pero para po sa mga Virgo na open-minded, meron kang karmic relationship dito na nung past life mo, kailangan mong i-resolve. And now, both of you are going to meet halfway. What I mean is magkukross pa rin ang landas nyo nitong person na to. Okay, either makikilala mo pa lang siya or nakilala mo na or you feel it. You can feel it into your soul. And this person the same way, same thing ang nararamdaman niya. Kung meron ka na ditong tinapos na relationship, para sa'yo tapos na, but it's not what you think it is. It will come around. It will come back around. Okay, makikita mo or mafe-feel mo na parang bound ka sa isang situation. Okay. Kailangan yung ma-resolve ang dapat yung resolbahin. Kailangan yung matutunan ang dapat yung matutunan, Virgo, sa relationship. Definitely, makikipag-deal ka or meron kang, ano bang tawag niyan? Makikilala mo yung person mo before in past life. Meron kayong soul contract. Okay, so meron kayong dapat malaman. In some point, magkukross pa rin ang landas nyo. Or maybe nakilala mo na, tapos nag-iba ka na ng daan kasi parang feeling mo it's not going to work out. But it's not what you think it is. You and this person brought back together in this earth, sa mundo natin. Binalik kayo para tapusin ang unfinished business. Okay, meron kayong karmic relationship dito, past lives. I-search nyo nga yung kantang Past Life. Past Life. Ewan ko, basta nagkaroon ako ng mataas ang balahibo ko. Day, Diyos ko Lord. Meron kang past life, meron kang karmic relationship dito, Virgo. Definitely, it will come back around. Okay, you will find yourself in this person's arms again. Or magkukrus pa rin, you will be together like kakaroon pa kayo dito ng eye to eye. Both of you are going to share each lesson na natutunan nyo. Both of you. Hindi ko alam kung para sa kanino yan. Hindi ko alam kung basta it will come back around, Virgo. I don't know, yan ang dapat mong malaman dito. Kasi sigurong merong vows dito. In some point in your past life, mag-asawa kayo nito. And very toxic ang relationship nyo. And then, naubusan na kayo ng time. Okay, both of you, pumanaw na sa earth. Tapos, bago kayo pumanaw sa earth, nagkaroon kayo ng, or bago kayo bumalik sa earth, nagkaroon kayo ng kontrata na aayusin nyo yung mga mali nyo before. Okay. And you will come back around with this person. Oh my God, what in the world is this reading? I don't know. Hindi ko alam. For the old person, for all the Virgo na hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pero para po sa mga Virgo na nakaka-resonate na hindi mo alam kung bakit bound ka energetically with this person, kahit na kinat-off mo na siya, may mga anak na kayo, lola ka na, lolo ka na, and you still think about this person like in a certain way, in a certain day, in a certain year. Nasa mind mo pa rin siya. Para bagang unremovable, unbreakable, at saka unchangeable. Kahit anong pilit mo. You know what I mean? Because you have a karmic relationship with someone, Virgo. Okay. It's gonna be fast. Okay. Hindi mo maiintindihan sa una kasi ang Knight of Swords para sa akin is wala sa hulog yung communication eh. But in some point, it will make sense at the end. Okay, it will make sense at the end. Na para bagang um, may kailangan kayong matutunan kaya nagkaroon kayo ng separation. Kaya kayo nagkaroon ng siguro nung past life nyo, mag-asawa kayo. Tapos naghiwalay kayo, nagkaroon kayo ng kanya-kanyang pamilya. And then namatay din siya nang parehas kayong naglulonging to each other. So yun ang lesson nyo. Okay. Yun ang lesson nyo na you and this person built with each other. One soul. Okay. So in this lifetime, nagkaroon kayo ng sumpaan na in this lifetime, you will meet each other again. And you will make things right, Virgo. Dang, napaka-dramatic. Holy shing. Oh my God. Sorry, Virgo. Yun lang masasabi ko. Ayoko na mag-dive deep dyan. But at the same time, kung feeling mo, meron kang kailangang tapusin or meron kang unfinished business spiritually with another person, that is definitely what I'm talking about. Okay? But if you feel free, wala kang karmic debt, hindi po ito yung reading na para sa'yo. Okay? Wala kang karmic debt, wala kang nafe-feel na bound ka into something or na may kailangan kang tapusin with someone. Okay, even though na parehas na kayong may kanya-kanyang daan na kayo, feeling para bagang lastig ko na, parang spring. Na kahit na anong tiwalag mo, parang put you back together. Parang ganong energy. Ang pinag-usapan po natin dito is energetically. Yan ang nakikita ko dito. That's why both of you, in some point, kung maganda naman kung ikaw ang Virgo na meron ng pamilya ngayon, na maganda naman ang flow ng pagpapamilya nyo, and you are not thinking about someone, maybe tapos na, nasa karmic ano ka na, nasa inaayos mo na or naayos mo na ang karmic, ang soul tie mo dito or karmic relationship nyo. Natutunan nyo na ang lesson, tapos naging smooth na ang relationship niya. Para naman sa mga Virgo na feeling bound into someone, feeling something, you need kailangan mong lawakan ng pag-iisip mo, Virgo. Kasi pares kayong merong unfinished business dito. Kailangan yung may tapusin kayo. Pero hindi ganun kadali. Kasi ang karmic relationship, maraming pinagdadaanan yan. Maraming matatamaan, maraming maaapakan, maraming masasaktan. Pero depende sa inyo yan kung paano nyo i-handle. Yan ang karmic relationship. I-search nyo na lang po sa Google. Yun lang ang alam ko. Correct me if I'm wrong. Sa comment section po. Yun ang alam ko sa karmic relationship. Okay, meron kayong unfinished business with someone. Okay. Hindi lang po dito sa Matrix, nasa 3D, third dimension. Spiritually po. Okay, so, that was deep. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na ano naman yung family mo, smooth na maybe tapos na, tinapos mo ng kontrata dito. Okay, what I mean, tinapos ang kontrata which means inayos nyo ng mabuti, na-resolve nyo yung unfinished business nyo, maganda ang flow ng mga anak nyo, maganda ang flow ng business nyo, maganda ang flow ng samahan nyo ng partner mo. Definitely, that is confirmation na you are with your karmic spouse already. You are with your karmic partner. Okay. Na-resolve nyo na yung issue. Pero para sa mga Virgo na feeling bound or feeling definitely something is wrong, okay? Meron kang karmic, meron kang dapat ayusin. Both of you can feel. Pares kayo. Nararamdaman nyo to. Hindi lang ikaw. Pati siya. Naguguluhan man siya kung bakit pa naiisip siya sa'yo, hindi siya makamove on or hindi siya kahit na mag-create siya ng ibang life to another person or to another world. Ikaw pa rin, okay, and you, ganun din. Kahit na sabihin natin mag-build up ka ng ibang buhay sa ibang daan on your own way, on your own term. But it's not gonna happen. You will find yourself parang thinking about this person, feeling attached with this person energetically. Merong time. Okay, so Virgo, I don't know. That was deep. Woo! Ano nga, patugtugin niyo yung ano, yung lyrics, tingnan niyo yung past lives. Tan 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 tan. Past life ba ano nun? Title, I don't know. But just check. So, Seven of Cups, vows. Seven of Cups, the Devil card, oh my god. Six of Swords. Ace of Swords. So, Virgo, regarding sa vow, there is a lot of confusion here. This person is not used to it or baka ikaw ang hindi used to it. Okay. Um, Ace of Pentacles. Three of Swords. Yeah, definitely. Someone is heartbroken dito, Virgo. Okay. Regarding sa... Kasi meron kang Ace of Swords. This is all about the truth and clarity. Ace of Pentacles. Moving into calmer water. In some point, Virgo, there is a vow. Meron ditong anong tawag yan? Ano bang tawag yan? Merong pangako dito. Okay. Merong kasunduan, should I say? I don't know, but you made a vow. Nangako ka. Okay. And then, in some point, there's a toxicity there. Someone is heartbroken about the vow. Maybe you or the another person. Hindi ko alam kung dami naman kasi nitong ano, daming exploration dito, daming option, daming exploration, curious, confused. Sa madaling salita, kung sino man tong person na to, hindi niya alam kung anong gusto niya. Okay. Pero alam niya ang katotohanan na it needs to happen. Okay. Kung player type energy to, Virgo, okay, hindi niya alam kung saan niya ilalagay ang sarili niya, pero pagdating sa iyo, very heartbroken siya. Bakit sa dinami-dami, sa'yo pa? Siguro iniisip niya, kailangan kong mag-shutdown, kailangan kong i-shutdown lahat ng with the six of swords is like moving into calmer water. Stop the player type energy. Okay. Ika-cut off ang toxicity ng exploration, overindulging, overdrinking, bisyo. Cups is all about emotion or maybe there's many option here. Pero pagdating sa'yo, oh my God, ikaw lang ang worth it ng new beginning dito. At saka, yun ang totoo. And this person is just like, fucking confused. Parang napipil niya na sa'yo na ang ending niya. Ikaw ang ending niya dito. Either way to Virgo, basta itong person na to, alam niya sa sarili niya na sa dinami-dami ng in-explore niya, bakit siya sa'yo pa siya naging ano. Itong person na to, hindi to used to it na maging vulnerable eh. What I mean is, hindi pa siya nagmahal tulad ng sa'yo. Parang feeling niya, napipil niya na dito na kailangan niyang mag-take a vow. Only with you. Okay. Moving into calmer water. Tama na yung mga kabulastugan. Had enough. Kailangan niyang i-stop yun. Clarify the devil guard. Hindi ko alam kung sasabihin niya to sa'yo or something. Basta merong communication dito. Good news. Okay, regarding sa mag-offer yata to ng vow sa'yo, Virgo eh. And the Two of Pentacles. But still thinking about it. Kasi nakikita ka nito energetically, you're moving away. Or you're moving yourself out of this person. Kasi this person is just like, you know better, Virgo. You know better. You are moving away. You are moving into peace of mind. Because this person is very chaotic. Devil card, very deceitful. Very toxic. You know, this person cannot be trusted. Yun ang intuition mo. Yun ang totoo para sa'yo. With the Ace of Swords. Okay. And you feel heartbroken about it. Hindi ko alam kung malaki ang expectation mo sa taong to, but at the same time, nakita mo ang true colors ng taong to. But this person is aware na ikaw ang kailangan niya ditong ikaw ang ending niya dito. Okay. Regardless ng mga exploration niya dito ng option niya, ikaw lang ang may deserve ng new beginning or pinapangarap niyang buhay. Okay. Pinapangarap niyang family life. In some point, hindi ito naging kumital sa'yo, Virgo. Para po sa mga Virgo na yung makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, pero para po sa mga Virgo na this person is feeling heartbroken, Virgo. Okay, feeling heartbroken, baka maybe it's too late. Baka nag-move forward ka na. Nakapag-decide ka na ano bang tawag dyan? I'm not gonna be your option. Okay, I'm not your option. Neither, hindi ako isa sa mga option mo. Okay. Parang pinamukha mo sa kanya yun. Okay. And this person knows na hindi mo siya tinitiwalaan. Meron kang trust issue sa person na to. Okay. Nagdadalawang isip ka sa person na to even though nag-communicate siya sa'yo ng news na let's get married or magpakasal tayo or because sinasabi yan ng person na yan kasi tapos na siyang mag-explore. Yung exploration niya, kailangan niya nang mag-stop. Pag nag-communicate siya sa'yo, ibig sabihin, nasa decision making na siya na mag-stop ng player type energy dito. Okay. Tsaka yung gusto niyang ibalik or i-gain ang ibalik ang trust mo dito. Virgo, someone is heartbroken. Napipil niya yung emptiness kapag nag-walk away ka. So, sure talaga siya na ikaw lang. Siya sa'yo. Sa'yo siya, anong tawag niyan? Sa'yo siya babagsak. Sa dami-dami ng exploration niya dito. Sa'yo lang siya worth it. Parang ikaw ang worth it para sa kanya. Like, you know what I mean? Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa third row, Virgo. Ay, second row. Clarify the mother. Six of Cups. Meron ditong nanay na namimiss ka, Virgo. The Hangman, merong delay. Hindi ko alam kung makikipag-usap ka sa nanay mo, pero merong straight communication dito with the Queen of Wands. Meron ditong mag-i-initiate ng conversation, Virgo. Mother figure. Okay, maybe this is your mother or your grandmother, basta mother figure. Namimiss ka nito or naiisip ka niya, but there is a delay here about the communication. Okay. Or kung ikaw man ay malayo sa mama mo, yung mama mo gustong mag-reach out sa'yo, may gusto siyang sabihin. Okay. May gusto siyang sabihin dito, straight communication, but in some point, delay. Or kung ikaw naman ay nasa mama mo, meron siyang gustong sabihin, naiisip niya nung bata ka pa or baka kinikwento niya dito nung bata ka pa ganito, nung bata ka pa ganyan, noon ganito ka, ganoon, ganyan ka. Gets mo ko, Virgo? But with the Queen of Wands, clarify the Queen of Wands. Ace of Wands. Merong good news si mama mo dito or mother figure. Meron siyang good news or meron siyang gustong ibigay or meron siyang gustong sabihin regarding sa opportunity, new beginning, restart, or baka ina-advisean ka nito na it's not too late para mag-start. Parang feeling ko nagmo-motivate to sa'yo, pinupush ka nito or minomotivate niya yung passion mo or something. Kaya baka before hindi niya na provide sa'yo yung ganong emotional ano na gusto mong makuha sa kanya, but now this person is just like, pero meron lang nga delay, may delay nga lang. This person, maririnig mo na dito sa person na to kung anong gusto mong marinig long time ago. Okay, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, about sa mother. Tingnan natin kung ano ang bottom of the deck, Ace of Cups. Definitely someone here merong gustong gumawa ng vow dito sa iyo, Virgo. Ikaw ng pinaka last drop nito. Okay, but it depends on you. Kasi you know better. So, Atlantis and the water, very emotional nga. Meron din father doon. So, Ace of Cups, Virgo, and the Atlantis card, definitely makakarakita ka. Para pang feeling ko, gusto mong nasa tubig ka. Gusto mong nasa tubig ka lagi, or basta parang attracted na attracted ka sa tubig this coming month, or I don't know kung kailan, basta mafe-feel mo gusto mo ng tubig. Tubig. Gusto mong malapit sa tubig, or baka nakatira ka sa tubig, or marami kang makikita sa wall mo na about ocean, about tubig. Power of the water, power of, I don't know, basta regarding sa tubig. Yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, overall energy, or maybe meron ditong person na very emotional towards you and want to start a new beginning with you. This is definitely a new love. Meron nag-overflow ang emotion sa'yo dito. Okay. Kung saan nakikita mo meron sa background naliligo, tapos nag-aanuhan sila, masaya sila dahil merong new beginning dito sa'yo when it regards to love. Okay, but it depends on you, Virgo. Depende pa rin sa'yo yan. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? What is the advice? Anong advice kay Virgings? Take time to breathe out, Virgo. Your hard work is paying off. And the personal issues reaches resolution. So, kung ano man yung mga issue mo, Virgo, it's coming. Okay. So, emotions are running high, definitely. Pag nag-take place tong personal issues resolution, parang iiyak ka na, masaya ka na, hindi mo maintindihan. Meron kang new love dito. Okay. The more you focus on yourself more, Virgo, the more na natitrigger tong person na to, the more na nakare-realize siya na ikaw lang. Iniisip din niya maybe too late na siya or something dito sa vow. So, titingnan natin, Virgo, kung ano ang angel message number mo. What is the angel message number for my Virgo, please? Angel message number. Di ko alam kung mahanap ko yung ano bang title nung patugtugin ko nga. Past lives, nan tan 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 tan, 6, 8, 685. So, Virgo, i-google mo yan, 685, angel message number. Maaring makaresonate sa situation mo. So, yeah, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Para po sa mga makaka-resonate, alam nyo na pong galawan. Thank you po in advance. So, yeah, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.